In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly strategy of how you can start earning money with Pinterest. Don't worry, you don't need to have these crazy graphic design skills. It's a really simple method that everybody can do as long as they decide to put the hours. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial. This is something that I really like because Pinterest, it's a social network, but it's also a search engine. Not everybody is using it because they do not understand exactly this strategy. There are several reasons why I really like Pinterest. First of all, is the fact that people are searching for information and are also searching for products there. And they do have what we call the buyer intent. So that means that they are not only browsing around, but they are ready to make a purchase if they really like it. So as different than another social network that people are just hanging out, here on Pinterest, they really, really purchase. Another cool reason is the fact that the main demography here is people from the US. It's actually women from the US. And we all know that people from the US, they have a different mindset, they have a different perspective. So with that said, I really like Pinterest, and this is the reason why I decided to share with you this strategy. Let me show you everything here on my computer just to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Okay, so as you can see, this is Pinterest. They do have different things. For example, here we have a video. Oops, let me refresh. Here we have a video. Here we have an image. Okay. We also have infographies. Okay. We have products as physical products as, okay. So you're going to see here like an infography. So there are different styles of things that you can actually create here on Pinterest. Okay. So another really good thing that I like about Pinterest is this one. Is the fact that you do not need to have a lot of followers like in another social networks in order to get views. Okay, this is my Pinterest profile. So you're gonna see right now I only have 11 followers with 3,000 monthly views. Okay, that's a lot for the amount of followers that I do have. Okay, what kind of process you can go with Pinterest? For example, we have Luna Vega. Okay, she do have an e-commerce store and she's sharing tutorials. Okay, she's selling from Etsy, so you can go and you can, sell products as from Etsy. If you don't have a product to sell, keep watching this video because I'm gonna show you what's the best way to go ahead and earn money without having your own product or service. But you're gonna see the same with Luna. She has less than 12,000 followers but over 2 million monthly views. Okay, she's doing something what we call personal brand, so that means that she is on every single of her videos. This is the strategy that she decides to go with. Okay, but there are other boards or accounts that are totally faceless. You can also go with this strategy totally faceless. Okay, we have here the billionaire lifestyle, billionaire mindset. Okay, they have 224 followers and they have 79,000 monthly views. This is a lot. This is one thing that you need to take into consideration again, guys, that you don't need to have a huge following in order to get a lot of views. Another thing is that you need to have a link. You need to have a website, okay, or what we call a capture page. You're gonna see here the same with Luna. She also have a website here. Okay, there are two ways in which you can actually do this. First, let me show you this. Okay, so you can have the two options. This is what we call a landing page. Okay, this is what we call a landing page. So that means that we are capturing people's names and email address in order for them to get the information. Okay, if you decide to go this route, there are three tools that I really like, which are ClickFunnels, Builderall, and Systemy.io. If you're on a budget and you're like, okay, I really like this strategy, Diana, but I'm a beginner. I don't want to, be using a tool that I'm going to be paying on a monthly basis, well, go in with systemy.io. Another way in which you can do this is, for example, what Luna has. Okay. If you are like, okay, I don't want to build, my own page. Okay. She has something that is more like a link tree. Okay. She has several options here, several products that she promotes. And, she's also talking about her other social networks. So you can go this way as well. I'm going to be covering more about this in a moment. Okay. Now we need to promote something. Okay. We need to promote something. We know that people who come to Pinterest is because they do have the buyer intent. We also know that chances are that we do have our own product and our service. But Diana, you told me that there is something I can do if I don't have my own product and my own service. Yes, you can go to ClickBank, okay, and create your account. If you do not, for whatever reason, can use ClickBank on your country, there is, you know, an alternative that is called Digistore 24. Okay, here in Digistore 24, you're going to see that you have different categories here on the left, such as animals and pets, education, family and kids, fitness, health, home, personal development, social media, spirituality, and okay. So we are gonna go with the spirituality niche. Okay, we can also go here on ClickBank and we're gonna see exactly the same. Okay, they have different categories: art, education, health and fitness, home, spirituality. Okay, a good niche that works on Pinterest, it's health and also spirituality. Okay. So we're going to go with ClickBank. Okay. Because this is a platform that I really like, but remember that you can also go with the store 27, the store 24, and you can notice that they do have sometimes they do have almost the same product. Okay. They do have almost the same product. If you're ready to promote this, you're going to click here where it says promote now. If you need affiliate resources, you can go here to the affiliate support page. Here, the same on ClickBank, you're going to click here where it says promote now. And here we do have the affiliate page. So we're going to sort this by gravity so that we are going to have a product that a lot of people are making sale. Okay. Here we do have already the sale rank, okay, which is the equivalent gravity sales rank. Okay. So if we want to see like, okay, what this product looks like, we're going to click it here and you're going to see that this is the sales page. It's just a video and that's it. Okay. So what does that mean? That people need to watch a video and after a couple of minutes, they're going to see the offer. Okay. So remember that you can go with the capture page or you can also go with the route with the link tree. I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. Okay. If you guys are enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are really serious about making money online, check the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Let me know, guys, where are you from? Because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. If you're having some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area as well, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If by the time you're watching this, you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And now let me go back to the video. In this example, I'm going to go with the fact that you decide like, okay, I'm not going to be creating a landing page. Although you can do that again with ClickFunnels, Builderall, or Systemy.io. Remember that if you're on a budget and you want to go with 100% free tool, you can go with Systemy.io. Let's say that you are like, no, I don't want to go with that route right now. What I want to do is that I want to be able to promote different products because you can promote as many products as you want. As you see here with Luna, she have different products. Okay, so you can go with that route. Okay, what you can do is you can use a tool that is called Linktree. Linktree is 100% free, and it gives you the ability to put different links. Okay, I already have my account, and you're gonna see that I can add different links here. The only thing that I need to put here is the title, just in case that you're going to be like, "Yeah, what's going to be the title?" You can use the same one that is actually here in description. Wealth manifestation. Okay, I can put it here. Then I can click here where it says promote. I can click here where it says create hub link. And this is the link that I'm going to be putting here on my link tree. Okay, this is the link that I'm going to be here putting on my link tree. Okay, you can create as many links as you want. It's actually up to you. If you have other social networks, you can put it there as well. Okay, and the link, three link is the one that we're going to be uh, putting here. Okay, the link tree link is the one that we're going to be putting here. Okay, so we're going to have the opportunity to promote um, several offers at once. Okay. Now you might be wondering, like, okay, Diana, I have the link tree, I have the product sets or promos that I'm going to be running. Okay, I create my Pinterest account. By the way, I suggest you to go with the business account. As you can notice here, I do have a business account. The reason why I like to go with the business account is the fact that I do have the analytics. I can see how many people are clicking on my pins, they're from, where they're coming from, so those are the things that I really like. And if I want to run ads in the future, and if you decide to go that route as well, you will need to have a business account. So my suggestion is to go ahead and add a business account with Pinterest. Now, how are you going to be creating content? Okay, I have different type of content here. I have images, I have videos, but maybe you don't want to go, with the personal brand. Maybe you want to go the same one as billionaire lifestyle, that totally fails us. As you can see there, you have different people here. Okay, so you can repurpose other people content, but if you do this way, you need to give credit to them, or you can also go and create images. If you go to a website that is called Canva, you're going to go to canva.com, which is 100% free. You can open your canva.com account. The only thing that you need to type here, it's Pinterest, and you're gonna see that they provide you with different templates. Okay, you can use the video templates or you can use the pin templates. The pin templates are just what I showed you at the beginning: images, infographics. Okay, so you can choose the one that you want to go with, and you can just replace, the images, always having a call to action. Um, okay, always having a call to action. For example, if you decide to go with the business niche, this is going to be a great one. Okay, let's say that you like just the layout. Okay, that's another thing, that maybe you like the layout but you don't like the images. Okay, let me go with this one: how to start um keto diet. Maybe I like just this layout, but my topic is not about keto, it's about meditation. Okay, what can I do? Well, you can choose it. You're going to see different layouts here, and you're going to see that they do have different elements. Okay, they do have different elements here, so you can go and you can customize it. Okay, you can go and you can customize it. Also, you are going to be able to do a search. Let's say that I'm looking for an image of the sun. Okay, you see, I do have photos that I can use as well, so I can customize this um, here according to what I need. I can also go to Google and choose the image from Google, but it's actually a Canva. It's an all-in-one resource, so you can have it here. Okay, so that's a great way. You can also, remember, go and repurpose content from TikTok. Okay, here, for example, I go with astrology, and I do see that there is a lot of people here who are talking about, astrology. I can go that route as well. Okay, so you have two options. You can create your own brand, as Luna did. Okay, or you can go and you're like, okay, no, I want to be 100% faceless. Okay, as soon as you decide, like, okay, which route you're gonna go and you're ready to do the pins, go and create a idea pin. Okay, go and create an idea pin. This is the content that Pinterest is pushing the most right now. In both cases, you can actually add a link, okay? Even if you decide to go with idea pin and create a pin, you can add a link, okay? So that's actually really, really important. This is actually the link, the one here. As you can see, the description is not something crazy. It's actually really simple, okay? So this is a great way, guys, in which you can actually earn money. Again, if you're really serious about this, check the very first link in the description so you can go ahead and have a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can implement this strategy. It works worldwide. If for whatever reason you cannot use ClickBank, remember that you can always use the Sword 24. Okay, so this is it for this video. I see you on the next video.